Ever wondered how the top 1% builds generational wealth? Generational wealth isn't just about being rich. It's about creating and nurturing wealth that can be passed on to future generations. It's about establishing a financial legacy that perpetuates across generations. It's the difference between having a good life and ensuring a good life for your children, grandchildren, and beyond. The top 1% of wealth holders have mastered this concept. They don't just strive to maintain their wealth, they strategically build it to last, to outlive them. They understand that wealth is not just about accumulation, it's about preservation and growth. It's about leveraging capital, investing in appreciating assets, and minimizing risk. These strategies are not reserved for the elite. They can be applied by anyone seeking to create a lasting financial legacy. The key is to understand and emulate these strategies, to think like the 1%, to make informed financial decisions that will stand the test of time. To uncover the secrets of this 1%, let's delve into the journey of Jaspreet Singh, a lawyer turned entrepreneur. Jaspreet Singh, a lawyer turned entrepreneur, is a perfect example of how the top 1% build and sustain generational wealth. Jaspreet's journey is not just a rags to riches story, but a testament to the power of understanding money and the role it plays in our lives. It all started in the legal world where he was earning a hefty paycheck, but soon enough, he realized that there was more to wealth than just a high salary. The spark of entrepreneurship ignited within him, and he took the plunge, leaving behind the security of his high-paying job. He understood that wealth is not about how much you earn, but about how much you keep and grow. His entrepreneurship journey has been marked by a keen understanding of money and wealth, and a determination to create and control his own financial destiny. This understanding allowed him to leverage his resources, invest in appreciating assets, and build wealth that will last for generations. In this journey, Jaspreet Singh has shown us that the true essence of wealth lies not in the accumulation of money, but in the freedom and control it provides. Jaspreet Singh's entrepreneurship journey reveals the first strategy of the 1%, entrepreneurship over high-paying jobs. It's clear that entrepreneurship plays a crucial role in wealth building. But what else do the top 1% do differently? Well, one of their key strategies is investing in appreciating assets. Instead of stashing their money under a mattress or in a low-interest savings account, they put their money to work. Then real estate, stocks, bonds, or even art and vintage cars, the wealthy 1% understand the value of assets that grow over time. But that's not all. They also master the art of leveraging capital. This means using borrowed money or other people's money to increase the potential return of an investment. They don't just rely on their own funds, they use leverage to multiply their buying power and thus their potential to generate wealth. This strategy isn't just about making more money, it's about creating generational wealth. It's about building an empire that not only serves them in their lifetime but also benefits their descendants. This wealth then becomes a powerful tool, a legacy that continues to grow and impact generations. Jaspreet Singh, a lawyer turned entrepreneur, strongly advocates for these strategies. He believes that the wealthy 1% are not just lucky or born into wealth. They are strategic, they are calculated, and they understand the power of investing and leveraging capital. The top 1% understand the power of investing and leveraging capital, a strategy that Jaspreet Singh strongly advocates. So, what can we learn from the top 1% and Jaspreet Singh's journey about building generational wealth? The answer, my friends, lies in three key principles: entrepreneurship, investing in appreciating assets, and leveraging capital. The wealthy 1% understand the power of entrepreneurship. It's not just about starting a business, it's about creating value and generating a steady stream of income. Next, they invest in appreciating assets. Real estate, stocks, businesses. These are not just purchases, they are investments. The value of these assets grows over time, contributing to their wealth. Last, but certainly not least, is leveraging capital. The wealthy use their existing wealth to create more. They borrow against their assets to invest in more assets, creating a cycle of wealth creation. Now think about it. How can you apply these strategies in your life? What business can you start? What assets can you invest in? How can you leverage your capital? Building generational wealth like the top 1% may seem out of reach, but by understanding and applying these strategies, it's more attainable than you think. Let's make these principles work for us and start our journey towards financial freedom.